If you don't know these 3 mistakes that people make on YouTube in 2025, then don't even think of starting your YouTube channel. You might end up wasting your time, money, and efforts. Thinking of running in this YouTube race is a distant dream. You won't even be able to stand in this race. If you ignore these mistakes in 2025, you'll be at a disadvantage. I will be telling you about those mistakes that even big YouTubers make. So basically, there are 3 separate things that turn into mistakes on YouTube. I'll show you what they are as we go through this video. So let's dive in and expose these secrets that could be holding you back or even tanking your channel without you realizing it. Now, I'm going to walk you through each mistake using real data from my own channel to prove it. Stick with me and I'll show you how to avoid these traps and dominate YouTube in 2025. Let's start with mistake number 1, not verifying your YouTube channel with a phone number. I didn't know this was a thing. But YouTube uses verification to trust your account, and if you skip it, the algorithm might think you're a bot. Crazy, right? Here's what happened to me. I uploaded this video back on January 18th, 2025, and check out this graph. See that spike around day 18? I thought, wow, I'm blowing up. But then on January 20th, I verified my channel with a phone number and check out this graph. See that spike on day 2? That sudden growth hit because YouTube finally trusted me. If I'd done it right away, I could have hit even bigger numbers. Don't make this mistake. Head to YouTube Studio, verify with your phone. It can quietly kill your reach. Now, mistake number 2, uploading too frequently without checking if your audience even wants it. I ran a shorts channel and got excited. More videos, more views. But I was wrong. Take a look at this. I posted 3 shorts in just a week, from February 14th to 20th, 2025. One of them, How It Is Possible, got just 3 views. Another, posted the day before, got 2,058 views, but then I overloaded my audience and engagement crashed. Posting too fast buried my best content. YouTube's algorithm saw low retention and my channel felt spammy. I should have slowed down, waited for demand, and focused on quality over quantity. Even big YouTubers fall into this trap. Thinking more is better, but it's not if your viewers can't keep up. Here's the fix. Use YouTube Analytics to see what your audience craves, then pace your uploads, maybe once or twice a week for shorts, not daily. Let your content breathe and watch your views climb. And finally, mistake number 3, not using A/B testing for thumbnails. I used to think, I'll just pick a thumbnail I like, but I was leaving views on the table. Check this out. This graph shows a video I uploaded and I swapped the thumbnail after the first 24 hours. Initially, it got 65 views, but after testing a new design, views jumped to 700 in the next 24 hours. That's over 10 times growth, just from a thumbnail tweak. See that curve? That's the power of A/B testing. Trying different thumbnail designs to see what clicks. I thought my first thumbnail would work, but it didn't grab attention. Even big YouTubers skip this step, sticking with one design and missing out on massive CTR boosts. Don't guess. Test. Use YouTube's thumbnail testing tools. Try bold colors, faces, or niche-specific imagery, and track performance. It's a game changer for getting noticed in 2025. So there you have it. 3 mistakes even big YouTubers make in 2025 that could stop your channel dead in its tracks. Not verifying your channel, uploading too frequently, and skipping A/B testing for thumbnails. I learned these the hard way, but you don't have to. Fix these and you'll be running, not just standing, in the YouTube race. Which of these mistakes surprised you most? Drop it in the comments. I'm reading every single one. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and let's grow together in 2025. See you in the next video.